Today's day 19 of Vlogmas and the puzzle making continues. Reinforcements have been brought in. Dennis has his daughter Mariah here. She's a master puzzler.
Oh yes.
I think I see a lot of progress happening here. Don't want to get in the way of progress. Puzzle on, folks. Today is December 19th, the 19th day of Vlogmas. I'm with Hunter today, and we're going to tell him what we're going to do.
We're going to open this.
And build a gingerbread house. So Hunter's going to do the unboxing for us, so we can see what's in the box. Alright, tell us what you got there.
This.
That looks like the icing, okay? That's the icing. Put it on the side out of the box. Okay, and then we have candy. Is that for the decorations on the house? Candy. And that's some more gumdrops. Okay, see where the gumdrops will go.
Yeah.
And these balls, I think they're gonna go on the roof. Okay. And then here's all the house pieces. And this must be the base to put the house on or to put the roof on. And what's this? This must be the top that helps us. Oh, we must use this to put the gingerbread on. Look at Santa's legs are sticking out of the roof. Oh, okay. Alright, how's it going?
Good. Hey! Without the gingerbread man guy. Look at, she's pretending right here. I can help.
Alright, keep helping. We're gonna make the walls straight up like this. Right? Okay, then push the fronts in. Can you push the front in?
Yes.
Yeah. That's better. That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, we get that part.
So I do roof now.
I think that's what's next, yeah. Alright, let's explain what happened. We had a little bit of a problem because our icing bag blew a hole. It's a hole in the side of our icing bag, so all the icing's coming out everywhere. Get it to stand up nice and straight.
Hi, food camera. Hi, filming.
Food camera. Food channel? It's the Food Network.
It's a food
Alright,
channel.
the next thing we have to do is the roof.
Good, it's time for the roof.
Applying icing to the house peaks. We're going to put the icing on top over here. Let's try it. Oh, what are these? This is the roof. Okay, ready?
Huh.
Try to hold this hole closed. Oh, maybe you use the knife and catch any that falls off.
What? It's okay though.
Uh-oh, it's coming out the top again. I forgot to hold it closed.
It's okay though.
Oh, we sprung a new leak. Oh no!
Where's Mama Dino? Where's Mama Dino? Remember when we did decorating the Christmas tree by spin the camera around?
You spun the camera, yes, I remember
I
that.
won't do it today.
Thank you!
We have a nice day today because the other day we didn't have a nice day.
Alright, now,
We got to do that.
I don't know how this is supposed to stay on here. That's not gonna stay, it's too heavy. Whoa, this isn't, wait a minute, this wall's crooked. This is, let's put this straight so we can get this to stand up.
Can help.
Okay, hold that right there. Let me get the other one. I'll put this one right here.
Gonna decorate also. Ooh, the next is
How's it doing?
good.
Hold it a minute. Let it go. They gave us this for some reason.
Some of my Halloween one doesn't have
Is this
that.
supposed to help us hold it on? Is it sliding off?
It's coming like that.
Yeah.
You gotta hold it a little bit.
Hold it like this with two hands, and I'm going to try to put some glue there. I don't know if that'll help. The icing. Can you hold it so that there's no hole in it? Yeah. Here's the thing. Here it is.
I think without me.
Whoa, what's going through? Oh. Don't scream. Alright, this isn't going to work. If you're going to scream like that, the audibles are too high. Okay, now we're back to recording. So, explain what happened to the people so they know what we just did.
So, what happened is we turned on the camera.
Yeah.
And we found that there was an accident.
What kind of accident?
Accident was the gingerbread house cracked also.
It cracked, yep, that happened. It cracked.
And then we glued it back together.
We glued it back together.
And even there was one.
You can see the crack. Show the crack on the house. Just touch it. Just outline it with your finger. Where's the crack? There it is. We glued that back together.
Okay, and then there was one little mistake that there wasn't 2 chairs over here.
No, right. So we had to get another chair for Grandma to sit at.
And
So explain what that thing is on the, what is that thing on top of the house that's made of cardboard right there? What is that?
the whole,
The what?
the whole thing.
The whole thing? What does it do?
The whole together.
Holding it together, right?
It is drying fast.
Is it drying?
Yeah.
So it's beginning to dry. It's a little sloppy, but we're hoping that we can take care of that with the
And then
decorations.
these go on top here, see guys? Oh, it's really close.
It's really close. Let me put it so you can be in the picture too. Go back. Go sit in your chair. We'll be able to see you.
So, well, there was another accident that was just accident that I needed to get through here.
Yeah, we had a problem with the sides of the house. The sides of the house caved in first, right?
And then the sides of the house was, and then this fell, but that's what made it crack.
That's what made it crack. Yeah, when the house collapsed, the front of the house cracked.
But
Goes to the color. We sprung a hole. Did we already talk about what? A hole?
look at them. See guys, in the picture.
All right, explain what those are. Can you explain what those 2 things are in your hands? What? Tell the camera.
The Christmas tree.
Because the people in the film we might not have it held close enough, so you might have to explain what it is.
Which one?
One is a Christmas tree. Hold it up. And one is,
A gingerbread man.
yes. And Hunter wanted to eat those first off, but I didn't let him. So he ate stripy cookies instead, which is why his mouth is all full of chocolate.
And I'm hungry.
All right, maybe we should stop, let the house dry while we take a dinner break, and then we can come back and make the rest of our Vlogmas movie. What do you think?
Should I ignore this for a second?
We're gonna decorate after you eat if you're starving.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye for now, and we'll decorate the rest in a minute.
Bye.
Can you turn it off? Same button.
So, the Christmas tree lady.
Woo! Very nice.
Let's sing the Christmas song.
And so, what do you think? Are we done?
Yes.
Well, let's get a close up. Wait, let's take a picture before you eat it. Show me. I thought you're gonna eat the tree. I thought you were gonna save the tree and eat. What's the other thing? A snowman. You're gonna save the snowman, eat the tree? Tell me how it tastes.
It tastes delicious.
It really does?
There's a little bite.
Does it taste like old and hard and taste like cardboard?
No. I can't eat the whole thing.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a nice look at this house. First of all, we sprung a leak in the bag of icing, so that made it almost impossible to squirt the icing out. And then the house fell down and broke. Then we got it to dry while we ate dinosaur chicken nuggets. Then we piped, and I used the term loosely. We piped the sides and piped the roof. And those are all little lights, like little bulbs. We put some gumdrops and maybe these are gumballs. I don't know what those are. I think that Here's the other side. There's the panoramic view. Now, the snowman's there. We decided we were going to put the snowman in the Christmas tree right inside that little plastic
No,
holder.
that's not snowman. It's a gingerbread.
Oh, gingerbread man, yeah.
No gingerbread man?
Didn't you take a bite out of that tree?
Yeah.
You putting it back on?
Yeah, just in case so people can see a bite of the
You wanted people to see the bite of the tree?
Yeah, but I didn't bite the gingerbread man so they can see the gingerbread man also.
Well, take my word for it. No one's going to be eating that.
Why?
Look at it.
Let's see if they camera.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm gonna turn around.
There it is. Okay. What if I turn it around? It's you.
Eek, la. Do that. It's filming. It's filming.
Okay, I think this video is done. What do you think?
It's filming. It's filming. Can I have the camera turn it off? I want to turn it off.
You want to turn the camera off? Okay. We're done with this. So let's say goodnight to Vlogmas day 19. Good night.
Night.